What makes for a powerful question? Simply put, a powerful question compels you to think of your problem from a vantage point outside of your existing paradigm. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Albert Einstein had it right. If I had an hour to solve a problem and my life depended on the solution, I would spend the first 55 minutes determining the proper question to ask. For once I know the proper question, I could solve the problem in less than 5 minutes. Now, we may not all be as bright as Einstein and solve the problem in 5 minutes, but I am convinced we're capable of asking more powerful questions than we ordinarily do. Einstein famously asked what insights he might gain if he could travel on a beam of light. Watson and Crick asked the question, what might DNA look like in 3D form? And Ellie Goldratt asked what held the system back from delivering more value. Powerful questions generate curiosity in the listener and provoke thought. They surface underlying assumptions, invite creativity, and inspire new possibilities. Depending on the context, the more powerful questions usually include the why, how, and what. Less powerful questions are about the who, when, and where. It's a helpful practice to think about what work you want your powerful question to do. What kind of conversation, meanings, and emotions do you imagine your question will evoke in those exploring it? A perennial favorite power question of mine is this question about the question. What question, if answered, could make the most difference to the future we're trying to create? My course for Systems Thinkers explores the development of powerful questions. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.